Welcome to Your Friend the Cook's Funhouse, featuring family favorite meals by SJ. It's SJ's Funhouse. Hey friends, welcome back to SJ's Funhouse. Today we're making quick and easy cheesy chicken empanadas. Crispy on the outside, cheesy and flavorful on the inside, and honestly, these disappear fast in my house. The best part is you can customize these however you like. Chicken, steak, shrimp, fully loaded. Baby, we're doing whatever works for us today. Everything you need is right here, so let's get into it. Here is a first look at our ingredients. We have our empanada disc, our chicken, our seasonings, cheese, peppers, onions, and of course our sofrito chilling in the fridge because trust me, it's making an appearance later on. We're going to start by sauteing our peppers and onions, add a little olive oil to a heated pan, and toss those peppers in there. Give it a nice stir. And we're going to hit that with a dash of salt. And of course, we can't do the salt without what? A dash of pepper. Give it a nice stir. And we're going to let those cook down for a few minutes until they're nice, soft, and slightly translucent. While those are cooking, let's season our chicken. We're adding our onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and the fajita seasoning. Now give everything a good mix so all that flavor gets incorporated into the chicken. Now, let's check on our peppers. We're going to give it a little mix. Once they're softened up and have your desired cook, we're going to remove them from the pan and set them aside for later. In the same pan, add just a little more olive oil, then add your chicken. I added all the chicken. You're going to cook the chicken on both sides until it's browned up nicely, but don't overcook it because we're putting it back in the pan later. And then we're going to flip it. Let it brown on this side a bit. Once the chicken is done, transfer it to a cutting board and let's get ready to shred it up. This part, be careful not to burn yourself since the chicken will be hot. Pull it apart, chop it up, however you like. We just want it nice and broken down for the filling. Now that our chicken is all shredded up, we're going to go back in the pan. Add a little olive oil and toss that shredded chicken back in. Then add those peppers and onions we cooked earlier and give it a nice stir. Mix everything together. And now it's time for the flavor bomb. We're adding in some sofrito. Mine is a blend of red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, and onions blended together. Add that in and stir everything up real good. Now hit it with just a pinch of salt and a little more fajita seasoning for extra flavor. Another mix. Once everything is combined and smelling amazing, remove it from the heat. Now it's time to build these empanadas. We've got everything we need: our empanada disc, our chicken filling, our Mexican cheese, and we're going to utilize our empanada maker in a second. Also, we need a little bowl of water to help seal everything closed. So we're going to take one disc and place it on the empanada maker. Add a nice scoop of filling. You don't have to be shy now. Then add your cheese. Take a little water around the edges so it seals properly. Help fold it close. Then close the empanada maker and press the edges tightly together. Voila! And now, repeat, repeat, repeat until all your empanadas are filled. Now listen, you can fill these with whatever you want. Steak, ground beef, shrimp. Sometimes I make mine fully loaded. And when I say fully loaded, I'm talking yellow rice, black beans, corn, fajita chicken, cheese, all packed inside. So have fun with it and make your own. One important thing though, make sure those empanadas are sealed good before frying, because if they open in that oil, the oil gets inside and nobody wants that. Once they're all ready, heat your cooking oil in a pan. You want the oil hot, not burning. That way, when the empanadas hit the pan, they start frying immediately and get nice and crispy. This part moves fast, so stay close and keep an eye on them. Drop your empanadas in the oil and fry golden brown on one side. Then flip them and get the other side crispy and beautiful too. Once they're done, remove them from the oil and repeat the process until all your empanadas are cooked. And baby, look at these. Golden, crispy, cheesy, packed with flavor. Stack them up, put them on the table, and enjoy. SJ's quick and easy cheesy chicken empanadas. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and made with love. These are quick, easy, and perfect for lunch, dinner, parties, honestly, anytime. Now let's check them out. Let's get into this cheese pull. In all of my excitement, I came out of frame, but you know the vibes. This is SJ's Funhouse at the Flavor House. Follow for more because we are not done yet. It's SJ's Funhouse. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.